Guess what I'm making today?
Tenemos que hacer un día de esto.
Yeah, I'll show you in a little bit. Bye. Our YouTube video today is just for families and friends. So let's start it. Yeah. And that is my tea. It's supposed to be this way, but it's really good for your health too. So I got ginger, lemon, lime, cinnamon, and honey. Okay, here we go. Just put a little bit of olive oil. Smells good. Huele bueno, mami.
¿Qué?
Sí, vamos a hacer un invento aquí.
Riquísimo. Esta niña prendida, ¿no?
Ya casi. Soy sauce. A little bit of wine. Just a little bit. There you go, just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit of lemon juice. And a little bit of water. And just the whole can of water. Pues aquí está mi carne vieja. Digo mi ropa vieja. No, carne vieja soy yo, es ropa vieja. It's for my families and friends. So let's see how it's gonna stay. Mami, huele bueno, ¿verdad?
Está bien bueno.
Huele bueno y sabe bueno.
Riquísimo. Huele, la cocina está inundada.
Un arrocito blanco y habichuelas rojas y ya. Time to go. Yum yum. Yum yum. Ooh, now this is the final result. My mom said it's so yum. Ah, mami.
Es bueno, está sabroso. Eso está... Se ha botado.
So let's try it now.
Mi hija se botó haciendo esa
Bye.
ropa vieja.
Adiós.